R2-4K Dual Dashcam Installation Guide. Elevate your car's safety with the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dashcam, a device made for sharp 4K clarity, seamless recording, and ultimate convenience. Let's get you set up in a few easy steps. Unpack the dashcam, rear camera, 128GB card, cable, suction mount, and essential installation accessories. Everything you need is included for a quick start. Secure the front cam on your windshield using the suction mount. Connect the rear camera with the extension cable and position it at the rear window. Plug in the dual USB car charger and route cables neatly using provided clips. Download the ROVE app, pair via 5G Wi-Fi, and customize settings effortlessly. Insert the preloaded memory card, and you're ready for crystal clear recordings. Don't wait another moment. Ensure safer drives today with the ROVE R2 4K Dashcam. Grab yours now. Visit link in description. Dashcam listing.